DIYers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Crafty Lady Era. Now today we're going to be doing a different type of a project. Now if you like what I do, please subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to tap that notification bell, and YouTube will notify you of any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get started. You will need toilet paper roll, any color ribbon, any color yarn, and 3 black beads. Let's get started. And this is what the product will look like. Okay. Hi DIYers, I'm Crafty Lady Era. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little shaggy dog out of yarn and a toilet paper roll. So let's get started. First, you're going to hold it here and you're going to wrap it around. Okay. I'm just going to do it diagonal. Okay, when you do it, make sure that you just go at a diagonal so you cover the whole thing all the way around, like this. Okay, don't squeeze the toilet paper roll too much. Put it on here gently. You're going to get this and you're going to wrap it around your hand about 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make it 11, 12, 13, 14, at least 15 times, and then cut it. Then now, I did 5 of them, the same way I showed you. 5. Okay, you're going to get this. We're going to make the tail. So, you're going to bring this down a little bit and trim the tail. Like this, okay? Okay, now you're going to glue these together and make these the paws. Now I cut these two, I lowered this down, kind of like an octopus. Think of an octopus. Lower it as low as possible. Make sure that they're the same size. This is going to be the side paws right here, okay? Careful not to burn yourself, because okay, now we remade the tail, the legs, and the back, and the two front legs. Now we're going to make the top. So you're going to get this and measure this a little bit, about up to here, okay? Then you're going to get it and you're going to just spin it around. 2, okay, now we're going to do this part. Okay, so you're going to get it the same way we did this. We're going to do this side. We're just going to measure it, okay? And again, just do it as till it gets full. trim this a little bit because this is going to be the front part of the noose. Okay. Now you're going to get a comb. You're just going to comb it out. Make it a little, like Shaggy. Okay, you're going to make one last little ball. So, has to be thick. You're going to get it and you're going to hot glue to the back of the hair right here, okay? And now, after you glue it, you're going to get the scissors. You're going to trim it in the back a little bit. Make the tongue that's going to go under here. So I put a little mat under him, make it look like he's sitting on his little mat. Okay, now I put the nose and the eyes, so now I'm going to put the ribbon around. I thought I'd use pink. You can put any color ribbon you want, it's up to you. And you can either make yourself a bow or you can just use one you already have. I've had this one in my stash for a while. This one, that's why I use the pink ribbon, so it'll go with the bow. Okay, here's the finished product. A little shaggy dog. So cute. And there's many ways you can do this. You can make them look more fluffy. Maybe another one, I'll do another one, but I'll make this one look more fluffy. So, okay, I had fun doing this. I hope you did too, learning. Now, please like and subscribe. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Tap that notification bell and YouTube will notify you of any upcoming videos. And if possible, if you want, this is my first time I'm mentioning this, but I have Buy Me a Coffee. I have advertised it in the bottom of my Dropbox. So every time you buy me a coffee, that money goes towards me buying more materials for my YouTube videos. Because it does get a little bit pricey buying everything. So, you know, if you like what I do and want me to continue making more videos like this and a lot more awesome videos, please like and subscribe, and maybe you want to consider buying me a coffee. So, thanks. Until next time. Bye.